feel? Feel good? You look like you're doing great.
He did really good.
Getting used to when to shift. That's the hardest thing about that, is just figuring out when, but
He done pretty good.
yeah, you did.
There were a couple where I had to help him, but other than that, not really many. I know.
Cool. Well, I'm glad you like it. I haven't looked. Let me check. My phone's vibrated a few times, but it's probably worked. Hey, you'll get a selfie with the roof in behind you. Look down at your phone. That's my new thing, is to get roof selfies in there. No, nobody's said anything to me yet, Brooklyn. I imagine a few of them are on the road.
Yeah.
What is it, noon? Yeah, it's 12:15. Okay, Carter, I'm going to go up a little higher on some of the dunes. So the name of the game is to keep your speed. Whenever you come...
Don't be afraid to touch the pedal. You're kind of hesitant. Don't be afraid to touch it.
When you come back down, sometimes you have to slow down before you hit, you know, the dip at the bottom. But you can usually tell which ones are going to be a bad angle, and I'll hit the brakes. And Brooklyn, I guess my brake lights are sticking, because I'll like let off the brakes and they'll stay on for a few seconds.